What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to turn off Google Chrome notifications on a laptop. You're going to open your Google Chrome web browser and then at the top right corner you're going to click on the three dots there, then scroll down to where you have settings, and under settings you're going to choose privacy and security. Scroll down to where you have site settings and then you're going to see permissions. So you're going to scroll a bit and then you're going to click on notifications, right? Now under notifications, you can see the default behavior. Sites can ask to send notifications. Here it says collapse unwanted requests, which is recommended, and this is great. Of course, if yours is in expand all requests, then you're going to have notifications at the top left corner, at the bottom right corner, and everywhere or wherever it decides to present itself. However, if you want to turn off Google Chrome notifications, you can simply say, don't allow sites to send notifications. You can turn this off. Of course, maybe you might need this for some sites, but you're having problems with other sites. So you can come over here. This is a category of not allowed to send notifications and allowed to send notifications. So for example, if you have specific sites you want to always receive notifications, you can click an add to add it right here. But if you know sites that are notorious for always sending notifications, you can simply copy the link and add it to sites that are not allowed to send notifications. This is basically up to you. By doing this and making your choice or preference right here, you'll be able to turn off Google Chrome notifications for your laptop.